Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Do you want to be a part of our art gallery? So don't wait, send your artwork. You need to hold your artwork in front of your chest and take a photograph with your portrait and send us. Because Doremi is the platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Please watch our full video. Don't skip because every second this video is going to be very much helpful for you. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yes, you need to share more and more because I want many more people watch you and watch us.
We are always excited to make the craft, so this video is very important. In this video we are going to learn some basics of the craft. So in this video we will learn making shapes like rectangle, triangle, square shapes. So let's start. So here I have taken a paper. This paper itself is rectangle shapes. This is the A4 paper. So if we fold the paper from the middle and if you tear the paper, so you can tear the paper or you can draw a line and you can cut with the scissor. Either you can tear the paper by holding your scale or you can cut the paper. So you can see we have get two rectangle. So if you again fold it and you can tear it, you are getting the smaller size rectangle. The more you will make a fold and you will cut, you will get the smaller rectangle. So we are making the rectangle from the rectangle, bigger to smaller. So instead of tearing the paper by holding a scale, you can use a scissor to cut. Both the way you can do, the way you feel convenient, you can follow that way. So you saw, so this is a bigger one, the smaller one. Now just by folding you can create the small or more small, smaller rectangle shapes. The same things I am showing repeatedly so that you can avoid all the confusion. Look, the gradually is getting smaller. It is very important to learn various size of shapes. It may be rectangle, it may be triangle, but you have to know how to make various size of shapes. So here we made out of rectangle more small means smaller rectangle. And even you can make tiny rectangle also using. The more your rectangle will be small, so you can make tiny rectangle. You can make it more small. So I hope you have understood how to make a rectangle. So now using these rectangle shapes we can make our next shapes, that is called the square. Here I am placing from ascending order, means descending order, you can see. Now this is the again that A4 paper. This is the rectangle shapes. There is a four corner, you choose any corner. Just you have to hold your corner and place it with the parallel of this rectangle shapes. This way it should be touched with the base of this rectangle. Now you can use your scale, either you can use even scissor also, and you can cut it like that way. So there is a difference between square and rectangle. Rectangle opposite two sides are same and here is four sides are same. So we have taken one more rectangle shapes over here. This rectangle shape is smaller than previous one, so we are going to make a square out of this rectangle. So this square is going to be smaller than the previous one. So this way we can make the square shapes. So the more your rectangle will be smaller, you can make more square shapes out of that. So rectangle makes rectangle shapes, even rectangle makes square shapes. So rectangle is very much important to learn. So here you can see this is looking like a kite, isn't it? Look, I have kept it the ascending order from bigger to smaller. Even you can see it from smaller to bigger. This is the smaller rectangle to make a smaller square. Isn't it interesting? So these shapes making is very much important, especially various size of shapes. This is looking perfectly like a kite. Now this is a tiny square. In the same process, I hope you have understood the whole video of making rectangle and square. So you can make more tiny. Here I'm just folding so that you can understand. So now we have learned making the square shape also. This time we learn the triangle shapes making. So for this reason we need our square shapes. So rectangle to rectangle, rectangle to square, and now square to triangle shapes. So never try to tear out with the scale because this is very difficult. So better here use your scissors. So you can cut along with the folding, or for getting more convenient, you can draw a line. So you have to draw a line diagonally in the square. Yes, this is a diagonal line, the square. If you cut it, you can see from here you can make two triangle, equal size of two triangle. Now see very carefully. Take one more triangle out of it and fold it. The more you will fold, you will get the smaller triangle. So we can make triangle to triangle. Just don't try to tear. This way you can try, but be very gentle. Or here you can use scissor also. Now look, getting smaller. The following way you can make more triangle. Just you have to go by folding. So one more fold to get one more smaller size of rectangle. Making various size of shapes is important to make the craft. You need to watch this full video. If you are learning this video, that will be very much helpful for further making any craft. So you can see how simply you can make interesting and very different size of triangle shapes. So now look, if you have placed it, it looks like a fish, isn't it? Now this is a tiny fish. Now we can make one more fish. So here you can also make different of idea using your shapes. Now these square shapes will help us to make different size of square shapes are there. It will help us to make a circle. So you have to make the fold, a horizontal fold, another more fold, you have to another more fold, so that your paper can create a 4 parts in it. Now I'm just opening to show you how the foldings look like. Yes, now the middle point is very much important. That point we are holding, this middle point, we have to hold that point. Yes, this point, we are holding it. Now this corner to this corner we have to draw a curved line. Look, round curved line, and cut it with the scissor. This part you must have to use the scissor. The magic is this: the moment you will open it, your square shape is ready. So the more smaller your square shapes will be, the more you will get the circle shapes. So here take the same process, you have to fold it, then draw a curved line, and use your scissor to cut it to get the smaller circle. Look, making circle is so interesting. So we have learned to make from rectangle to rectangle, rectangle to square, square to triangle, even triangle to triangle, and now from square to circle. So if you ever want to make a circle, always make first the square shapes. So this way you can make many more. Now we will show placing these shapes. You can create a different object. How? So I'm not making more. I hope you have understood. Look, there is a triangle shapes. We made that. These are square shapes, look like a heart. Now you can see this is our rectangle shapes. Why? Because the two opposite sides are equal. You can see now this is a two same size of circle, that is shows the wheel. Now you can add one more smaller square. Now at this triangle as a roof, it is looking like a wreath. Now is your turn. You can also make different object. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.